try to limit my waste all year round, and that includes composting in the winter. Your compost needs heat. It's beneficial to place your compost in your yard where you have the most sunlight. Another thing that will help is having a darker container. If you choose to have a compost bin rather than just a pile, having a darker surface, darker material is going to attract the sunlight and keep it warm. I wish you could feel how hot this is to the touch. This bin is attracting the sunlight, which is going to help keep my compost in a slow state of decomposition. It's not going to speed it up yet until the hotter temperatures outside. So I'm going to let the sun do its thing. I'm about to add some organic materials from my kitchen, coffee filters, cardboard, some sweet potatoes, we have some sunflower seeds. Remember that what you put inside of your compost all winter long is going to determine how well in spring your compost will start to break down. Make sure you continue to add proper ratios. If you're adding too many of your kitchen scraps and not enough of your browns, when the thaw happens, when springtime comes and the weather gets warm, your compost is going to turn into a sludgy, stinky mess if all you're doing is adding your kitchen scraps. Don't forget your browns. As you can see, there's been a lot of snow in the past couple days. Snow is a very good insulator. Can you see the steam rising? Keep adding into your compost bin.